Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a calibrated phone and location services active. Open Compass from Utilities or Search. Tap the screen once to wake live readings and watch the red needle align. If calibration prompt appears, rotate in a figure 8 until the orange ring disappears. This ensures accurate heading. Once done, glance at the top for magnetic versus true north. Make sure true north is set in settings compass if you want bearings unaffected by local magnetic anomalies. You'll see heading, elevation, and coordinates. Read them together to understand position. Tap the screen to lock a bearing. The arrow then shows the direction to follow, while degrees update live. Use the built-in level by swiping to measure pitch and roll for setups like tripod leveling. Make sure you hold the phone flat for accurate heading, and once locked, walk slowly so the sensor can track. This reduces jitter and gives stable course readings for navigation. When you reach a waypoint, save coordinates by sharing or screenshotting so you can revisit the exact spot. Tap the coordinates to open Apple Maps for routing or share via messages. If readings jump or differ by more than a few degrees, move away from metal, disable magnetic cases, and recalibrate. Reboot the phone if that fails. One key troubleshooting tip: enable True North in settings and repeat calibration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.